I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp, and I was up on the hill and I received this prophetic word from the Father. It's August 21st, 2018, and I'm just going to put it out. August 21st, 1 year from the day when things went dark and I brought the eclipse across cities that represented my will. I tell you this day that the economy will crash and you will have a depression to have to deal with. The timing involved will have to do with how serious you are as my people. Will you pray without ceasing, or will you remain like the rest of the world, living for yourselves? This crash is meant to open the eyes of my people and speak to the government officials to clean up the blood that is scattered across this nation and even the world. Will you stop, look and listen to what I am saying? And will you open up your hearts so I can pour my spirit upon you, so you can show the world who your Father is? My Son came to set the captives free, but in order to be free, you must follow me into my kingdom. So this is what is about to happen. You will lose some of your material things while you learn to hear my voice and walk with me. If this crash would not happen, you would remain caught up in the world and never see that this life is fleeting. Brace yourself, for your lives are about to change forever. And unless you see clearly, you will remain in the dark. I am now beginning to shake you so you can wake up, because I love you so much that I allowed my only Son to die so you could be free. True love never fails. It never gives up. It's slow to anger and will never leave you. You are mine, and I will not allow the evil one to consume you. So unless you wake up, you will only fall prey to his lies. Rise up, my people, and hear my call. I love you. Your Father, who art in heaven.